the Mac. Passing up, can't see you. Keep up, passing the Mark X parking up. Big M badge, uptown killer.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're doing a POV drive. I just hit the highway as usual, trying to see if we get any runs on the highway or something. But first and foremost, make sure y'all like, comment and subscribe, and make sure y'all watch the full video, man. And let me know down in the comment section if you guys like the ambient lighting. And soon, make sure y'all stay tuned for the roof. I'm gonna rewrap the roof, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. So far so good, guys. Today isn't that bad. Even though I know why these people driving so damn slow, man. I think there's a state trooper in front, so that's why they're driving like this, like some snails. Even when I'm in eco mode, this shit's still popping, man. Just like that. Everywhere I go with this car, man, this shit be breaking necks. Also, guys, let me know if you guys like the new G90 M5 or the new body style for the M5. Been a while, guys, since I go to any car meet, so let me know down in the comment section if you guys missed the car meets video or the racing video. So let me know down in the comment section so I know what to do and what type of content y'all like. So just let me know, guys, and make sure y'all like the video. Clean ass Mustang though. 5.0, I think. I think that's a girl driving that Mustang. What's this? Elantra N. Nice. Nice ass 840 right there. I need to get a truck, man. No joke. Imagine a truck for a daily. Twin turbo, the F-150, and upgrade those turbos. That shit would be sick, man. Maybe that's the next step, so stay tuned for that. That's definitely one of the things I want to do on this channel. So make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure so this video could get pushed by YouTube, man, so we could meet the goal and y'all could see the build. I see her in the Mustang right here. She's trying to catch up. She cutting up.